Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty tools and accessories. Today, we're excited to showcase the BS Mall Makeup Brush Set, which we believe is the best 18-piece makeup brush set on the market. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a seasoned pro, this set is sure to elevate your makeup routine to the next level. The BS Mall Makeup Brush Set comes with 18 brushes, designed for everything from applying foundation to blending eyeshadow. You'll find a brush for every need in this comprehensive set. There are brushes for concealing, contouring, applying blush, and even eyebrow detailing. The variety of brush shapes and sizes ensures you can achieve a flawless look every time, whether you're going for a natural everyday look or something more dramatic. One of the standout features of this set is the premium synthetic fibers used in the bristles. These soft and silky bristles are vegan and cruelty-free, providing a gentle touch on even the most sensitive skin. They hold and distribute both cream and powder products evenly, ensuring smooth application without absorbing too much product. This means you get more out of your makeup while achieving a flawless finish. Not only are the bristles top-notch, but the handles are also designed for durability and comfort. Made from high-end alloy and wood, they offer a premium feel while still being lightweight enough for easy handling. The sleek champagne gold design adds a touch of elegance, making these brushes a beautiful addition to your vanity. For those just starting with makeup, this set is an excellent choice. It's easy to use, and the variety of brushes means you won't have to buy additional tools. Plus, it comes with a stylish black case, perfect for keeping your brushes organized and protected, whether at home or on the go. The BS Mall 18-piece makeup brush set is not just about quality, it's also affordable. At just $13.99, this set delivers incredible value, offering professional-level results without the hefty price tag. It's a must-have for anyone looking to take their makeup game to the next level. So if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and affordable brush set, the BS Mall Makeup Brush Set is the perfect choice. Whether you're new to makeup or a seasoned expert, this set has everything you need for a flawless application every time. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.